could be air, could be water. So we're going to be using a PhET simulation called bending light to figure that out. And then we also want to answer the question of how does light refract when it's sped up by a medium? So let's go into the first question of inquiry. We're going to open the light simulator on PhET, and I'd like us to go into the intro tab. This is the light source. You click on that red button. You will be able to see light incident on the interface. Right now it is air traveling into water. And right at the interface, we have a reflection happening, which we won't focus on, but we focus on the refracted ray that going into the second medium, which is water right now. It is helpful to indicate the normal, which is the imaginary line that you see here. So to answer the first question, how does light refract as it sped up, as it slowed down from air into water? As you consider air and water in this case, you know that water is more dense. So denser material will slow light down. And in order to set this up, I'm going to put the first material to be the medium with the lowest refractive index, which means light travel in is the fastest. And the second material for now, I'm going to turn it into also air. Because air and air, we don't have the bending of light. However, I'm going to use the slider and you're going to make observation of how light refract with respect to the normal in the second medium as light travel from air and slow down by the second material. So let's watch. Okay, so as I move the refractive index, as I change it from air to whatever other material is, water, glass, custom, these material have a higher refractive index than air. So they has the ability to bend light further than air and thereby slow it down. Please go ahead and draw your conclusion on our slide deck here. The second part of this inquiry is the opposite. Okay, now I see that how light being slowed down by a medium, but what if the opposite occur? What if light sped up as it enter two different medium? So let's find out. Go back. So now we are going to turn this first medium to custom, because with that I can really make it to be the medium that can slows down light the furthest. So the second medium, I will also make it to custom. Now, as I slide this slider the opposite direction, it's gonna speed up my light. And so with respect to the normal, please watch and draw your conclusion. Okay, so once again, as the medium is sped up, the light speed, what happened to the refracted ray? Did it go towards the normal or away from the normal? Draw your conclusion here.